Guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in, where are we in? Oh, Randolph, New Jersey. Freshly installed corner shower with brushed nickel hardware. And here we used clamps for the stationary panel with sleeve over clamps for a much cleaner look. And then later on, this little clamp right here can be removed after the silicone is dried for a much more frameless look. This is a single-sided rope hook, and of course doors hinged on the wall. So the reason for the rope hook was they have a towel bar here. So they had a few other companies come out and give estimates for a door that was opening this way. So of course there were some cons with that design. For example, by hinging the door this way off of the stationary panel. Also, the door could not be hinged off of here because of this overlap here. This granite overlap. So with the door opening this way, the hinges naturally have a 90-degree stop. So when you open this way, therefore the door is open, and it'll be roughly right about here. So the only way for you to actually exit the bathroom would have to be to physically close the door and then pass through. So meaning you walk out, you would have to come towards the toilet, grab the handle for the door, close it behind you, and then be able to vacate. Of course, you could also make it into a double acting door, which is going inwards as well. But usually for a wall mount door, double acting, meaning the door goes both ways, is much easier to install and much easier to maintain in the long run than glass to glass hinges would be in a double acting. Only because it's glass to glass seam edge instead of a glass to wall seam edge. So since I tried to keep it simple for them by hinging the door onto the wall, and they still want to access this towel, so I just said, you know what we could do is add a rope hook here. That way when you want to take a shower, you go ahead and you hang your towel, enjoy your shower. When you're done, you just, while standing inside of the shower itself, you go ahead and you grab your towel that's hanging there conveniently, and then close it up. When you're done drying yourself, you take the towel and you put it on its permanent holding spot, which would be these long towel bars. So it's a much simpler design, and of course these accessories we can add on to the glass work as per request. And we used 3/8 inch regular clear glass. Alright, if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call at 888-83 Glass or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.